and welcome to a live from Thailand. It's a
morning. It's a lovely morning here with great light.
yeah, you know what happened last evening? It was absolutely I mean,
We had to take a rain check.
Rain check.
Literally
a rain check, and so of course all our suits are now crumbled and wet. So we are not wearing our suits, which we had originally planned. But you will see a glimpse of it in the video that we had posted yesterday. But now we are on this beautiful setting. I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse of it. It's really lovely, just amazing view right there. And it's beautiful on the beach. Now, the reason I really wanted to do this on the beach was because, just give me a moment while I just set this up again. Okay, I lost my balance. But
I think it's because the wedding season is coming and people keep asking you that what should they be wearing during the weddings.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're thinking that you're going to be outdoor and you're going to be out in the sun, whether it's a poolside event, whether it's a beach event. I know many of you in the US and everywhere else doing lots of beach events, lots of, destination weddings. For all of that, when you're out, the sun is striking the fabric, that looks amazing. It looks graceful. It also looks apt for the, you can't wear a katan silk, as beautiful as it is. You won't be wearing it on the beach. So for that, I think Neve linens are absolutely perfect. You do wear a lot of linens yourself?
I love linen and I love the Neve linen collection, and I have one which I was wearing yesterday, but you couldn't see it in the live, but I think we'll post a picture of it. The Neve linen suits are a winner. They fall so well, they look so good, and you can dress it up, dress it down, and you can be ready for a wedding. I have also worn it to a corporate event, so you can just wear it the way you want it to and make it yours.
And can you wear jewelry on it? How does it look, with or without jewelry?
With both, it looks fabulous. So you can just decide how you want to dress it up, dress it down. That's how I have worked with it.
Yeah. So now this linen suit that we have is this year's season special. I was wearing the white yesterday. You can see the flow. I don't even have to do anything. Forgive me because they're going to be a little crushed. The pieces. Okay, I'm going to show it to you like this. It's beautiful, the flow of it. You can see the color. It's a lovely color. Now, this one is a suit set. So, like the one she was wearing, we've already gotten so many of them asking for the blue set. Now, the good thing is that the suit, if you see, so that's the set. Yeah, you can hold it. You can wear it in fire. You can just, it's kind of windy, guys. But you can see the flow. You can see how beautifully it sits. And it's got that amazing, richness look in it. That's the boota that we have done. And the really great thing this time was that we did linen bottoms, which we really were quite, sure that we wanted to give you a full linen look. So that's the bottom. And I'm going to give it one quick look together. It's going to be, that's the kurta. So there you go. That's the kurta, linen, and the bottom. And it's really great. Now, the other thing is that it's also dyeable. So you have it in white and you can dye it in any color of your choice. I have some beautiful colors. Like, see, if I were to put this up like this, yes, this would be a great way for you to be able to see the entire look. I love the blue. The pink is stunning. The white is always good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Now you can see the whole.
And look at it with the background of the beach. Right?
Yeah, because when you actually see it, you're going to be wearing in this kind of sunlight. The colors are really going to come well, and you can see the softness of the fabric. The zari, it's there, but it looks phenomenal, because when you're wearing it for an occasion, you will need that much zari, to keep it festive and amazing and beautiful. Now, I think we've got two more colors. This is
great for a haldi function. What do you
haldi.
think?
Oh, I think haldi and mehndi, the amount of requests we get for it. Oh, look at that yellow. It's beautiful. So, it's really important when people ask me, ye event hai, hum kya pehne? What is it that we should be wearing? My only thing is, and my only question is, oh, look at that color. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. You can just see it right there. Yeah, we can put this up here.
And the great thing about this fabric is, and with these bootas on it, you don't need to style it much in terms of the stitching. So you can just make a simple suit with a stylish cut and there you are.
And
You've
there you
taught
are.
it.
And make sure that, of course, you have the style guide with you, which is the Neve style guide. It comes in your parcels. Of course, certain order. You'll see that a clean, nice stitching is all that you're going to be needing for this one or most of our Neve looks. You know, that's how we've done it. We've already made it great for you guys to be wearing it, enjoying it. And yes, the last color in this is going to, so we have 3 parts. The first is the suit set, which you're seeing right now, which is a 44,800, the complete set. Okay, this we're not going to, first we're going to just show it like this because it's the stunning ta-da, black. Everybody loves black, okay. I think you're a big black lover, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So, yeah, so look at that. Yeah, motive ulta ho gaya.
Okay.
This side, so we're going to wear it this side. Now you can see the flow. It looks amazing. Now I have seen many of you wear evening cocktails and parties made the black linen, and I think it's so nice because it's chic, it's pretty, and you'll see the border. You'll see the border in the bottom. Extremely important that you use it. Master T Tailor Ji boutiques, tell them to use it, and if they're not using it, to give it to you because they're absolutely precious. You know this. Oh, I love the black. Okay, 44,800 for the 3-piece set. Okay, we do have some pieces which you must go for it, and they're amazing. Now we're going to go to the third part. We have it in 3 parts: the suit sets, then the dupattas, which are just dupattas in linen, which is going to come last, and then we're going to have also, you know, fabrics and ensemble sets, which we've done. Now the fabric is a mull cotton, which is a 1380 per meter, and the dupattas I'll show you as it is. That's going to be the second part. That's what I'm going to start with. It has the most amazing colors. But before that, anything else that you want to talk about? You know, how do you feel when you wear Neve?
All right.
How does it also make you feel different? Like, because you are somebody who wears a
Yeah.
lot of suit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, something I want to first introduce you with is also Ankita. Ankita Deveka Kabra. She is my sister-in-law. Okay. And yes, sister by heart. And in her day job, she runs a massive school, okay, called the Fountainhead. And she runs a couple of them. She's a co-founder. So that's the story. You can talk. And so she's somebody who really has to look a certain way all the time, and she does a phenomenal job at doing what she does. Anyways, and also a very short story that Neve, the name, comes from her because that's, yeah.
I take full credit.
Yeah. So we were brainstorming as a family on, you know, kya karna hai hame. So she said, okay, let's name it Neve. And there you go. And we have it here. So yeah, on that question, coming back to you.
So I wear Neve on a lot of occasions, and my work requires me sometimes to be parent facing, sometimes to be at a panel discussion, sometimes to be at conferences, and Neve is my go-to look for all these events. So for example, even the black linen suit that we just saw, that's something that I could wear to a networking dinner. I also wear a lot of plain Neve fabrics and then just pick up a dupatta, for example, the linen dupattas.
Yeah.
So I would pick up a fabric, a plain fabric, and then have a linen dupatta with it, and I'm ready to either present at a conference or to speak to parents. So it's just about how you can work with your Neve collection, mix and match, wear it differently, style it differently, and you get a variety of looks. And trust me, whenever I'm wearing Neve, I have people coming and asking me that, where's your dress from? Where's your suit from? And I'm so happy to recommend Neve to all those people who ask me.
Oh, thank you so much. Anything that you don't like about Neve? I mean, that's also something that's real. I mean, I'm asking all of these questions on your behalf, right? Like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
pros and the cons, always.
I think one thing that maybe Neve, of course it's a little expensive, but you know, quality comes at a price, a certain look comes at a price,
Yes,
so
that's
not
something.
complaining. And I also think that maybe because Vibhuti herself has such a great personal style, so I think we would love to see more of her looks and the way she styles Neves in her personal life, on the live, so that people can take inspiration.
Okay. Expensive part, noted. We are expensive. Okay. So anyways, but yeah, we are trying to get more of that style on a day-to-day basis. Usually I'm getting ready. It's always crazy. I have 2 kids. It's them, us. We're running around. And you know how lives are. It's like really busy, but take a note of that. 2026, we're going to do more and more of that. And yeah, I think, you know, if you guys have a question. Okay, so sum things up. This is too early in the day. You know, it's 6:10 in the morning. I'm going to be out, we are going to be out on a boat today. So we had to do this live. I mean, look at this phenomenal color.
Wow.
We had to show you this. And my team is not even up, or they're up, but you know, they don't know I'm live. So we're doing it only on Instagram at the moment. And then we're going to be posting it on Facebook. I'm just fearing that the wind should not blow this phone out. But I mean, my point is that they will be in touch with you. Oh, look at that
Look at this
fabric.
Buta.
This fabric, 1380 per meter. It's a revelation. We've just made it and it's just amazing. Look at the amazing feel to it. So I'm going to take it a little closer and I'm also going to show you. Look at that. So it's beautiful. It's such an amazing green color. And this is a dupatta with it. So now you can see the whole look. I'm just going to come back and show it to you. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that next. And here it is. Now, if you think that team to nahi hogi, kisse baat kar rahi hu, I have the most magical, the most beautiful helper of all time. That's my niece. Okay, I'm not going to get her on camera, but she's Anvika and she's amazing. I couldn't have done this without her. Right? So that's the color that you're seeing, and it's beautiful. Okay, and that's linen, worn with. Yeah, you can just.
This is
see
my
if,
cotton.
yeah,
Okay.
just
And
feel
this is
the
great
look.
for Indian weathers.
Yeah, all, especially like this kind of tropical weather, when you have it, it's amazing. Look at that.
Wow.
That's the look.
love
It's beautiful. This is the new palette launching and it's the most amazing colors. Of course, I wish we were wearing linens ourselves, but you know how the rain happened yesterday. For anybody who missed that, we had an amazing live lined up yesterday and we even announced that we are on the beach, we're coming live. And then the rain gods hit us. Okay, so we couldn't kind of make it to the live. I think that's in 1,000+ lives. I have never ever had to cancel after announcing it. But मैं ये कहती हूँ जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Maybe it's more beautiful here, maybe we're fresher, whatever. I think it's good. Look at the colors, guys. This is again the linen. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, it's just amazing. Now, Iska, I do feel that the color is slightly, yeah, I think it looks good actually. Let's see. Yeah. With lining, there will be that same color. It's a beautiful color. Look
Each
at
one
that.
is prettier than the other.
Yeah, you're going to have a tough time picking it up. But to me, it's a very nice, pretty cap. Oh, look at that color. It's amazing. Just the color, the beauty of it. Of course, this live is going to go on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And you can see that. Now I'm going to get isi ke comparison in one more color. So you can see them together. You see the peach right there, and then you have the most natural.
Wow, look at this.
And you have seen this in our Moonga video. You've seen this new launch of this motif. Okay, oh my God, that's
This motif is
amazing.
beautiful.
Yeah. See, look at that. It's the newest one. I loved making it. It's like a shell shape, and then we put it together. So you can now see that. So you show that. So you see this. That's the peach. It's amazing. Okay. And that's the brown. Now you can see, oh, look at that. The brown, it's phenomenal. You're going to have a tough time. My team has all the details. You know, today unko bhi pata nahi tha that I'm actually coming online because we said now we're just going to go and do it when it's not raining and the sky is clear. For anybody who does not know this, we're on a small little island and it's beautiful. We're going to be out on the boat today. I hope it's a beautiful boat.
And I hope it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, I hope it's a beautiful day. So we thought that we're going to catch you early, give you the entire day to be doing this. Oh, look at that. The peach, the brown, the green, like as amazing as the other one.
Lots of options.
Yeah, lots of options for you to be picking up. This fabric is 1380. This dupatta is 26,800. And you should go and, oh, look. Kya color hai. I mean, really, I'm not partial to my own pieces, but sometimes the colors come out so well. You know, the team does such a great. We have a design team, we have a color paletting team, all of them working together to kind of do all of this for you magic. You know, so there's a lot of work that goes behind because color paletting and, you know, the design. And then there is this whole, of course, team which works with us from Benares and from elsewhere, you know, different places, just working on textures and compositions. And then the weaving starts much later. So there's a whole lot of work. Of course, I mean, you see the live, you see me, but there are so many people who kind of work to get you this, and especially in a time like this, for the time to click together, to all of it to come together. Anyways, yeah.
In fact, I must tell you that Vibhuti herself is such a hardworking person. So she spoke about all these teams that she has, but she's really the one who's so detail oriented, and she's involved in every single aspect of the designing of the palette, of working with the weavers, of negotiating. And even when we go on holidays, she's always on calls, she's talking to people, she's talking to her team. So she's one of the most hardworking and driven people that I know. Huge inspiration for me personally and for all the kids in our family.
Oh, that's, yeah, but that's big coming from you. Thank you. Because, you know, Fountainhead started with a team of what?
5.
5. So they started as a team in 5. Fountainhead schools are a group of schools and fast and large and growing, especially in IB in Surat. And they started with a team of 5. And what are they today?
700 plus.
700 plus. That's the team. That's the team that runs.
At this color.
Oh, look at this color. Yes. Both of the stories going together. So yeah, there's a lot of our family stories that's happening because yes, this is 2 of the businesses that are we run, you know, as a group, Fountainhead. There is this and there is of course Paintbox. So there are 3 of them. But yeah, that is a story for another day. Look at that phenomenal color.
Again, great for a beach setting.
I would love to, I think, you know, the contrast with the green and with the blue is just phenomenal. The flow, it's amazing. Look at that. I'm just taking it backwards so you can really see it with the water. It's just beautiful, the colors. You cannot beat out this color. It's amazing, okay? So, yeah, it's really great. And basically to say that, you know, entrepreneurial journey, because of course it's 2025 ending, we, you know, there's been so much nostalgia this entire month for us to be recapping, talking about things. But, you know, entrepreneurial journey, I mean, they've been, she's saying that, of course, and it's, thank you for that. But she's been, of course, the greatest inspiration for me to be doing, the motivator. I went to IM because she said, you have to just do it. There's no other time in life. And of course, it just kind of started rolling from there. So, I mean, you know, the whole story is incomplete without us together as a family. And I think it just, you know, is so important that for me to say that because kai baar lagta hai, you know, everybody says, oh, you know, what all do you do together alone? I said, it isn't alone. Actually, I have a group of people, the actual work, that's me, probably doing it on the ground. But yeah, at the back of it, there are tons of people. Yes,
your favorite color?
A color I never wear, but I love, okay? Yes, I love this color. I cannot have enough of it. And I think there's so many of you feeling the same way. It's just beautiful. Okay, but now I'll tell you one thing which is really critical. You see, okay, you may be able to make it out from far, but you see they're the same pinks, but the color is slightly different. For me, it's very important that I give you the right information. So if I were to do this, I could do with this white. This fabric in white looks phenomenal as well. But I could, of course, I think send it again for the color to be matched perfectly, right? Because there is that very slight difference. Oh, I think there are 2 different tones of pink. I think
that's the detail orientation that Vibhuti brings to her work. And there's behind it.
Yeah, as we were just joking yesterday, QC, that's everything. You have to have the most beautiful, amazing set of eyes. My team does that, very, very strong QC. There are some of them who are so thorough, and they will say, this stain. I said, nobody can see that stain except for you. So, you know, that's the amount of QC that's done. Anyways, this is like, I think we should be doing this more. It's too much fun. And this is the second last color. Oh my God, what did I tell you about the colors? Now, this one is, of course, this year's Neem Bhuta Dupatta. Do you have it yet?
Yes,
do you have a Neem Bhuta Dupatta? Not yet, I think, right? Not yet. I think we should do one for you.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you the, I wear suit, but then, you know what she does. So she has to be wearing these in the formal setting. And lots of these first, of course, have to go to her. In fact, there's this beautiful story on the checkered real zari, the only checkered real zari that I've made so far, which is owned by Ankita Kabra and Mr. Zenia of the Emeraldo Zenia group, because I just made 2 pieces in 2018. Of course, one I gave it to her, and
Maybe you can post a picture of it.
I will post a picture. I will post a picture and I'll write the entire story. It's a fascinating, amazing story. Okay, my lucky $100. I keep saying it, but I'll tell you more about that. Oh, that looks amazing. I mean, really, look at that color. If you had to pick up a favorite, which one would it be? It's going to be tough, but...
I know, but probably this or the green one.
The first one. I love the bright colors. I think bright colors, it's like, I just love them. Neons and the brighter greens, and look at that. I mean, it's phenomenal. The color, they've also picked it out so well, like together.
And the Neve Bhuta looks very different here than it looks on Katan silk.
On a Katan silk. See, let me just show it to you very closely. This is the Neve Bhuta. And what I done was, because I wanted to make it slightly more contemporary, I did geometric border instead of a traditional border in it. And I think that's my feature. I love it. I love it, of course, personally having created it, but
it's looking fab.
Yeah, it's looking. Thank you so much. And I think it's just the colors. This is the blue, and look at that, matching this. I mean, it's amazing. Okay, the seashell then turned into a leaf, turned out to be the most beautiful color. Try it on. I mean, it looks amazing. Of course, we would have worn suits, but the whole rain story. So we're just trying it out on random stuff and showing it to you. But the beauty of this piece remains. And look at that. Now, if I were to kind of wear this, even with a white suit, because this is an ensemble, look at that. Just one little neck piece changes everything. It just starts to look amazing. So that's the whole idea. Now, I do have a blue in it, but I'm just thinking, I just don't want this to blow this over. That's it. So I'm going to, Now, I'm just saying the blue, are they exactly the same?
It is.
Yeah, it is. Okay. And okay, now we're just fixing that, because I really usually like that there is a nice neck piece. I mean, many of you may have a preference for a big earring, but I mean, each to their own. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. As a set, and a very, again, now I'm just going to bring out the blue again, because I'm going to show you how different they are. You can take a pic on the one that you, look at that. Aqua. Okay. This is, of course, the sky blue. So, very different colors. The pinks. Oh, we have another blue.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Now comes only the dupattas. So, this is the last part of it. And amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Here it is. This one is more, this is like a electric one. Okay. So, this is like the 3 blues. For me, this is, I just think of it as such a stone for me of stepping, and moving and progressing, because I'm not a blue person, I wouldn't create so much blue in my initial collection. And then I thought, how am I restricting myself when I tell the world to go and experiment? So I said, I'm going to go all blue now. And now you can see, this is an amazing shade. I think it looks so lovely with white. So, okay, you have the suit sets, which you can go for. You can even dye it in any color. You have the Mal cotton fabric, 1380 per meter. The dupattas, 26,800, 34,800. This is also the 26,800 one. Just come us and ask for details. Now, I would also wear this with a white, like a white chanderi suit, white katan even. I think it's going to look nice. Plain, because we just want to focus on the beauty of this. And yeah.
Apart from a suit, what do you think we can make with the linen fabric that I can wear for a wedding?
For a wedding.
For the pre-wedding events.
Pre-wedding events. Like a kaftan on the beach looks amazing with the broad pants. And then you can maybe accentuate it or just wear a really nice heavy neck piece. A cord kind of a look is always good. You can detail it. Plus, it's also great fabric. I know, because linen gets crushed anyways. But for traveling, it's really comfortable. But on a second note, when you arrive, you may be a little crushed. So I'm going to take that back. But because I want to really give you the right reason and the time to wear it. So the pre-wedding events and, the post one when you're relaxing, you've had too much of everything.
The morning after.
the morning after, okay? And even for the bride, I think it's such a great piece to be wearing. And apart from that, all the other contexts when you're working, when you're about, when you're,
Absolutely.
doing that. So all of that. And I just think that whenever you want to feel great, for me, it's really important that you feel great when you wear all of this.
Yes,
So
absolutely. I think that's such a big part of of how you show up, that the way you feel depending on what you're wearing. And for me, Neve does that for me. So whenever I wear Neve, I feel so confident. I feel like I can conquer the world. And that's why Neve is my go-to wardrobe for any important event.
of course, we're family. And,
So I'm a little biased.
So,
No, but
Yes.
honestly, seriously, because I do get a lot of suits otherwise also, but I do stick to Neve whenever it comes to a big event.
yeah, so there you go. Yes, it is. I mean, and which is why I always say, when you start with a full outfit and wear it instantly. Because मैंने बहुत बार देखा है, आपने सिर्फ दुपट्टा लिया या सिर्फ एक कुर्ता लिया, उसको सेट नहीं बनाया तो आप पहनते नहीं. The moment you wear it, you will get the Neve love. I hope you do. We really,
I think this white
oh,
and this also
I
looks
love
great.
this. I how much natural I wear and brown. Oh, it's just amazing. Like I would wear this color just about anywhere. Like we could do a brown with it, and I just show you. I mean, there may be different browns, but and I hope everybody's going to catch up this content. It's
Yeah.
fun in the day. On Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Now I'm just doing I'll tell you exactly why you should pick a white. You could do a brown, okay? But I think the contrast becomes lesser, when it's going to be matched. But you see with the white, like I would wear like even an off-white thing and it would pop
Yeah.
out so nicely,
Yeah. And ivory or
Ivory would also be like, so okay, Chinya Buta with this. Chinya Buta is a natural ivory shade. It looks phenomenal. And look at that. That's like a lavenderish. And I have a pinkish. So, manage and that may fly off. Now you can see, colors which always look good together. The lavender and the pink look phenomenal. You can try them on.
I love that it's looking different on different dupattas.
Yeah, it looks extremely different. Now, if you see on a black, you can see the pink. But for this, I'm wearing black. But for me, I just want to kind of show it to you. So I want to have a standard base. But I would say that if you had to pick up not a same on same and some other color, then it has to be the ivories, the whites, and the light browns. And then you can build up a contrast. That would be amazing to be doing this. So that's it from us. And I think almost about 30 minutes or so. Yeah. So phenomenal. And thank you, Ankita,
it's been
for
lovely
joining.
being here. My first ever Neve live.
Oh, yes. I think we got to do this more and we will in the new year. It's, I think, the last live of the year. Okay. And we've taken our sweet time to be doing lots of different things this year, before we ended it. But yes, the last one, I'm going to see you next year. But I'm sure, my team is going to be in studio in about 2.5 hours, 1.5 hours, at 9. Okay, India time 9. And then you can ask them all about these wonderful colors. Like even if I had to pick them up, like look at the bundle of joy that there is, it just looks amazing. All the pictures are there. The website neve.store is active. And I know I've taken some of your time in the morning, but thank you so much. And soon it's going to be everywhere. I will see you soon again. Thank you so much. Have a great day and remaining of the year. And
Wishing you a very happy and joyful 2026, and I hope to see you then.
thank you. See you guys.
Bye.
And bye from Thailand. Bye.